Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my beloved brothers and sisters.
We are gonna perform the dialogue session on Pariksha Pe Charcha. Our educationist Aish Pathak with my colleague Dr. Arpit Patel is going to discuss about PPC.
Actually, these days are the time of examinations, and students often feel stress and pressure, and often do mistakes, and that ruin their examination, and all their hard work goes into vain. So
Yes, you are
that's
right.
actually because of silly mistakes.
Yes, you are right, Dr. Arpit. Indeed, this time is very crucial and should be directed in a right direction. Students should have a confidence, and that will become a very big step into what their success. And Arpit, I ask you one question. What should be done on the day of examination and in the meantime to have a better success?
So yes, sure, Ayush, you are right. The best thing that a student can do is to be habitual with those circumstances. If they familiarize themselves with the pattern of examination, they will be able to get good marks. So Ayush, what one can do other than this, and what role can their teachers and parents play for the success of students?
Students firstly should be calm and focused on their study. They should have a confidence, and that will be the big turning point in their studies. And this will be reflected in their result too. And we should remember that examination is not a life, but it decorates the life of a student with dignity and respect for a while. And parents and teacher play a very vital role in the bringing of a child. Child and student is like a wet mud, and parents and teacher transfer that mud into a ideal idol. And student will have confidence, they will become a great scorer in their board exams. And Arpit, I ask you one question that I have often seen students compare themselves with other student who is better than them and often feel depressed. Is it right and healthy for them or not?
What I think so that comparison is not a bad thing, but it depends on them to whom they are comparing. In reality, their comparison is from themselves. If they compare from their previous performance, it means they have performed better in previous. It means they had get level up, and Delhi is not far away. So I asked you one question: how many types of pressure faced by students?
The answer is very simple. The pressure faced by the students is of three types. First is induced by their parents. Second is induced by the peers. That is called a peer pressure. And third one is self-induced. Students often take pressure themselves and feel get depressed. I suggest them to set small goals and try to fulfill them. Gradually, they improve their performance and they will score more better than they have thought.
That actually is the need of an hour, and single drop together constitutes a bucket of water, just like your efforts.
एंड लास्ट मैं एक आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाना चाहता हूँ। स्ट्रेस कैसा होता है? एक इंसान होता है जो कि टेंशन लेता है और उसी टेंशन से होती है उसको हाइपर टेंशन की बीमारी। बारिश होता है, बारिश का मौसम होता है, जगह जगह पानी भरा हुआ होता है और एक गाड़ी निकलती है, उसके ऊपर कीचड़ उछालती जाती है और उस टेंशन स्ट्रेस लेने वाले व्यक्ति को और ज्यादा टेंशन हो जाती है। वो सोचता है ये कीचड़ मेरे को नुकसान पहुंचाया, अब मैं इसको नुकसान पहुंचाता हूँ। वो उस पर और पैर मारता है, उसके कपड़े और गंदे हो जाते हैं। ये और जब उसके कपड़े और गंदे होते हैं तो वो सोचता है मैं ये तो मुझे और गंदा कर दिया, और वो अब दोनों पैरों से उसको मारता है और उसके पूरे कपड़े तरबतर हो जाते हैं। तो ये स्ट्रेस ये उसी तरह कीचड़ की तरह है, जिससे आप जितना उलझेंगे ये आपको उतना ही नुकसान पहुंचाएगा, आपको विनाश की ओर ले जाएगा। तो मैं एक लास्ट में ये कहना चाहूंगा कि स्टूडेंट्स आर द वॉरियर बट नॉट अ वॉरियर, एंड प्रेशर टेंशन आर द सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स टू बी स्टडीड इन फिजिक्स। ये सब चीजें टेंशन प्रेशर फोर्स ये सब चीजें केवल फिजिक्स में पढ़ने के लिए, इंसान को अपने ऊपर लेने के लिए नहीं है। लास्ट विशेष थैंक यू।